Hi, my name is Joe. I've travelled from England, Southport. Found Dentafly on Instagram. These Zirconium Digital Crowns. I'm really happy with them. Went through some pain, had 2 teeth extracted and healed well, all good. I'm very happy, very pleased. Thank you, Dentafly. Yes, I was going to go to Dubai, and they were I can't remember the company. They were slightly dearer, but I read the reviews of Dentafly and I thought, yeah, I'll go with them. I'm happy I did. No, the first time I was quite traumatized. The needles, it was just too many needles and I was trying to swallow and everything, but no, this time was much better. I knew what to expect. Yeah, all good. 100%. I've recommended to my mum. She came 2 months ago and she's coming back in August to get her permanent. Yeah, and I would recommend to everyone. You get very well looked after, very clean, very helpful, very nice people.